Welcome everyone back to Pete's Investing Updates. In this special edition I'll be covering a brief overview of the top Australian uranium stocks and how they performed after the recent announcement in the news. First, we're not offering financial advice, but this is purely an educational video. As always, click on the subscribe button, the notification bell, and like the video to support the channel. Don't forget to review the playlists. That's where we review the indices we review, the blue chip shares we constantly review, and the strategies. And in that strategy playlist, you'll find the simple trading strategy we follow, the average down process, and money management ideas. First, I want to talk about the top uranium stocks in Australia, and this is a list of some of those stocks. Australia is the world's largest known uranium resources and is the world's third ranking producer of the metal, behind Kazakhstan and Canada. It uses no nuclear power currently, generating most of its electricity from coal. On the 16th of September, and today's the 20th, the Australian, the UK, and the UK partnership was announced. The Australian, UK, and US partnership was announced by the Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison alongside US President Joe Biden and UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson, who said in a joint statement the initiative aims to strengthen the ability of each nation to support its security and defence interests. This deal is also important because it opens the door for the Australian domestic market to look into building nuclear power plants and move away from coal-powered reliance. This has upset the French government since Australia has cancelled their contract to build diesel-powered subs. Instead, you're going to take on the US nuclear-powered ones. But that's a story for another day. Geez, I wonder why diesel-powered subs weren't going to be considered long-term. The article was referenced from worldnuclearnews.org, and the link is in the description below. Feel free to read the full article there. No, none of these companies are paying dividends, which is against our investing rules. And again, I suggest you reference my strategy playlist and view how to select companies to invest in and the money management rules videos at least. So again, we're not going to follow a particular trading exercise today. We're simply going to look at the charts and how they performed after the announcement. So again, this announcement was made on the September 16th, a few days ago. Today's the 20th of September. Now let's look at the charts for these companies and see how they reacted and when they reacted. So first, let's look at Alligator Energy. You can see here it spiked quite nicely after breaking through this level down here. Now you'll notice September 16, the announcement was on that day. So just bear in mind, that was about 3 trading days ago. Today, that was what happened today. So three trading days ago, the announcement was made and it spiked, even after this little spike here. You'll notice the hobnobs in the market, the guys that already knew about this, have sold out of their positions. Took a nice little profit and sold out. Let's go through some of the other stocks and just see if there's any pattern to my theory. Bannerman Energy. Well, look at that. September 16 is on that bar. Let me just drill down further. It's on that bar there. September 16 is actually at that peak. So I wonder who knew what in this period. Boss Energy. Geez, look at this. September 16 on that one there. Then people that knew they were in the market already sold out. That's what it did today. I wonder how the news got out there. Deep Yellow. This had a bit of a rise back here. So there must have been some knowledge in the markets back there. But then it rose quite dramatically again at September 16. Delecta Limited. Another one. I want to go through these very quickly. You can see the pattern. Elevate Uranium Limited. Gladiator Resources. I won't belabor the point too much, but you can see what I'm talking about. So, I'll cut it short there. The point I'm trying to make is, don't trade the news. When it's in the news, it's already been factored in the share price. So, to summarize some of my trading investing rules, buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. I consider these to be speculative stocks. Now, when speculative stocks do well, they do really well. And when they do badly, they do really badly, as I often say. So avoid speculative stocks. If you want to play speculative stocks, put aside a minimal amount of your hard-earned cash and trade those. If you want to gamble, by all means do that. That's your decision. But I suggest you trade blue chip stocks and stocks which pay dividends. That's another key rule. Don't short positions, go long only. Why do I say that? Is because when you go long and they pay dividends, you receive the dividends. If you short a position, whether it's an index or a share price, when you short a position, you pay the dividends to the people that have gone long. So again, if the market's going sideways or it's not closing out in a timely manner to get that capital gain, you're going to pay out a dividend. So you'd rather receive that dividend by going long only. Do not trade on the news. Price is already factored in the share price. I just wanted to emphasize that. They're just some of my investing rules for you to consider. Again, go to my strategy playlist and look up those, some of the finer details of my strategies. Again, that can apply to a lot of things, to a lot of people. And again, you don't want to be on the wrong side of that equation. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Click on the subscribe button, the notification bell to get updates, and hit the like button if you like the video. And I'll speak to you on the next update.